This video covers installation and configuration of the Doppio software package. Doppio can be downloaded from the CCP-EM website. Go to the Downloads page and download the appropriate package for your system. Unpack the archive to get the Doppio release directory. Next, the program must be started so it can write its configuration files. Open a terminal and run doppio release/doppioweb/doppioweb. This will launch a Doppio server and write the config files. It may take up to 3 minutes for the first time. Once complete, your web browser should automatically launch with the Doppio app. Next, edit the configuration files. These are found in .config for Linux and library/application support for Mac. The config file contains a number of parameters. The main two that need to be updated are path to source files and additional program paths. Path to source files contains bashrc files that will be sourced while Doppio is running. Additional program paths contains paths to directories containing programs you want Doppio to have access to. There are 3 external software packages which will give access to most Doppio functionality. These will need to be downloaded and installed separately, which is detailed in other videos. CCP-EM gives access to reconstruction and model building programs. CCP-4 gives access to advanced model building tools. The package CCP-EM2 suite installs and configures several modeling and validation tools. Finally, the additional program paths parameter allows you to specify paths to any other directories containing programs that are installed in your system and you want Doppio to have access to. Once these files are updated, you should now have access to all the external programs through the Doppio GUI. If a program is missing, check the Show Unavailable Jobs option and click on the program to show why it's unavailable.